Bitcoin just made a powerful breakout, and traders are asking the same question right now. Is BTC going to continue towards 64,000 and beyond? Or is this rally already over? In today's video, I'll analyze the latest Bitcoin chart, explain what caused this move, and share the key levels I'm watching for the next trade. Chart analysis. Let's look at the 5-minute BTC/USD chart. Notice this blue descending trend line. Bitcoin was trading below it for several hours, showing short-term weakness. Then we got a clean breakout above the trend line around the 62,850 to 62,900 area. That breakout triggered strong buying momentum, and BTC quickly rallied towards 64,000. This is a textbook breakout setup. Resistance breaks, volume enters, and price accelerates. Current market structure. Right now, Bitcoin is pulling back after the sharp rally. This is not necessarily bearish. In strong trends, pullbacks are normal because traders take profits. The most important level now is 63,000. If buyers defend this zone, the uptrend remains intact. If BTC falls below 62,900, the breakout could fail and we may see deeper selling. Key levels to watch. Here are my key levels for today. Resistance, 64,000 to 64,300. Support, 63,000 to 63,100. Major breakout zone, 62,800 to 62,900. As long as Bitcoin stays above support, I remain cautiously bullish for another attempt towards 64,000. Trading plan and outro. For traders, the safer approach is to wait for confirmation. A bounce from 63,000 could offer another long opportunity. A breakdown below 62,900 would be a warning sign. Remember, this is market analysis, not financial advice. Always manage your risk. If you found this Bitcoin update helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for daily crypto analysis, and comment below. Do you think BTC will break above 64,000 today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.